Hey guys, it's me, Carl Weezer from the funny Are You Gonna Finish That Croissant video. Today I'm going to read the Burger King foot lettuce copy pasta for Jimmy's mom. Alright, let's get on to it. Number 15. Burger King foot lettuce. The last thing you want in your Burger King burger is someone's foot fungus, but as it turns out, that might be what you get. A 4chaner uploaded a photo ominously to the site showcasing his feet in a plastic bin of croissants with the statement, "This is the lettuce you eat at Burger King." Admittedly, he had his shoes on, but that is even worse. The post went live at 11:38 p.m. on July 16th, and a mere 20 minutes later, the Burger King in question was alerted to the rogue employee. At least, I hope he's rogue. How did this happen? Well, the BK employee hadn't removed the exit data from the uploaded photo, which suggested the culprit was somewhere in Mayfield Heights, Ohio. This was at 11:47. 3 minutes later at 11:50, the Burger King branch address was posted with wishes of happy unemployment. 5 years later, the news station was contacted by another 4chaner, and 3 minutes later at 11:58, the link was posted BK's Tell Us About Us online forum. The foot photo, otherwise known as Exhibit A, was attached. Cleveland Scene magazine contacted the BK in question the next day. When questioned, the breakfast shift manager said, "Oh, I don't know who that is. He's getting fired. Mystery solved by 4chan. Now we can all go back to eating our fast food in peace." Okay, thanks for enjoying. I hope you have a great day. And remember, finish your croissant or I'll finish it for you.